Hello folks, this one's going out for Michael Collins over at Patreon. Thanks indeed for your support, sir. We are in C standard tuning, so your entire guitar has to go down 2 steps. That's what it should sound like. Now if you're a patron, I've also made the tab available in standard tuning as well, E standard. So if you want that, then go over there. Tone wise, I'm using the skeleton key from Funny Little Boxes. That's for pretty much all of Josh's stuff, including the solos and stuff. For Troy's parts, I've changed the EQ on the pedal ever so slightly. I've just cut back on the treble, and I've also got the 91 just before it. So we got this sort of... But in the chorus, he'll put on this really cool like spring reverb from the Electro Harmonics Holiest Grail pedal. Thanks to my buddy over at Josh Homme Gear Instagram account. Go check that out if you're a fan. It imparts quite a unique reverb tone, really. But I've got as close as I can with my Walrus Audio Fable. Sounds like this. Sounds a bit like that, right? Live, they do play the upper harmony, so you'll get an octave above. Get that going on. You could use a whammy pedal or a similar sort of octave up to get that. So you then have, you know, all that stuff. So on with the first riff. Starts with this. 1, 2, 3. Starts with some wax there, and then you're into this. So slowly, we're going to go power chord. Slight difference here. The power chord is on the 8th fret with the 5th in the root, okay? Back to the first one. Then we do this. Again. Like that. That's the riff, okay? So slowly you'd have... Second time, and the only time he plays it. You got that. It comes back in with a little... So you'd start with the whack. Like that, okay? Then over the top, Troy plays this lead riff. 3, 4, 1. Like that. So we've got... But it's all with a slide. In fact, it's played on like a sort of one of those lap pedal jobbies. So you'd have... As per tab. And that comes back in on the last 2 times of the verse. And the verse you're basically playing 10 times. All that stuff, right? Chorus is cool. We go to these power chords. This is Josh's part. That's the first time around, okay? Pretty straightforward. Just, I'm not going to play that slowly. It's just power chords. The second time around. Like that, okay? Just an extra bar at the end. So the last 2 bars would be... Like that. Troy's part over the top is ever so cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's the first time. How good is that? These are allowed to ring out. And then... That's cool. And around again. That last time, we have this. You bend it half a step. I would bend it down half a step. And then catch the B string underneath it, right? Then Josh does his solo. Goes like this. 3, 4, 1. First phrase. Slowly. 3, 4, 1. That's so cool, isn't it? Then we have this. 3, 4, 1. Again. 3, 4, 1. Well, this. It's like a similar phrase, really, up sort of an octave. So again, slowly, full bend, quarter step bend. What's your fingering there? Because you've got to go. You know, you're basically playing. Hard to do it with one finger, right? And then, so you're holding that, and then this run. So you're playing that while this note's ringing out, okay? Background, the verse and the chorus again. Then we've got the bridge part, okay? So one guitar part is playing this. That plays around twice, okay? Don't need to do that slowly, you've got the tab there. That's doubled by the other guitar part, which plays. Okay, so you're going into triplets for that last bar there. Again, that plays around twice as well. Very stylistically Queens of the Stone Age. You could take all of your fingers off if you want. But they're going back on so quickly, you don't hear... You don't really hear the open strings. You know, so that's the sort of vibe you want to go for, right? After you've played that twice, they branch off again into these sort of octave parts, and we have... that round twice, okay? That's one guitar part. Slowly. This rundown, and the other guitar part's playing, like that, okay? So again, slowly. That plays around twice. The second time, there's a third guitar part which plays. While Josh is playing the A, right? Then coming out of that, it goes into this repeating pattern. So the last bar would be... And this is where we're picking it up again with the tab. So we then repeat that. And then we have... Alright, and then I think it goes into the bass solo. So the second guitar part then is playing. Same as before, right? And then we have... And then to end we have... Like that. Then finally we have Josh's solo. So the first two bars go like this slowly. 3, 4, 1. That's cool, isn't it? So the speed, 3, 4, 1. Great, isn't it? So unison bend comes in on the one hand. 1. You hold it. And then play. And then you drop it down. Again. 1. And then... That's it, that's the first part, right? So cool, isn't it? It really is. 12th fret holds out into the next bar, so we have 1, 2. Lovely little triplet run. Again. Right, that's the first 4 bars. Then we got some more double stops. Slowly goes 3, 4, 1. That's the first bar. Then we got this 3, 4. Slightly strange phrasing, isn't it? 1. Like that. And we got some bends. And then this little run. So like that. Really cool riff next, which goes 3, 4, 1. Again, 3, 4, 1. So we've got a bend. Release, pull off. And that's repeated. Comes in on the one hand. So 3, 4, 1. That's wicked, isn't it? Little nod to what he was playing earlier, isn't it? And again, 1. Play that all day. Then we have some sort of pentatonic type stuff. Straightforward enough, right? Slight bend there. And again. That one again. Then this part. Great, isn't it? Fingers are falling apart. Get rid of that. And then we have previous one again. And then the last one. End on that. And with these, you want to be muting that middle string with a bit of meat off your second finger, right? And that, folks, is it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.